That's probably the hardest part about getting this brake booster out of there. All right, this brake booster giving me a hard time, man. It don't want to go in. So I'm trying to get this small ringed piece hooked back onto my brake pedal. And it don't got a lot of left to right play. Like, it don't have a lot of left to right play. Like, this one's old and worn out. But I don't got enough play to really get it hooked on that brake pedal real easy. So this is what I'm struggling with. I just readjusted the brake booster. It was that little rubber piece on the back, it came off. We changed out this brake booster. I gotta get one more bolt snug down right quick. So I'm gonna put this pin back in there where it goes. And then we got, I'm gonna take this old plastic fitting off. They went on the other brake booster real quick. Let me give me some vice grips or needle nose. Got my needle nose. Go ahead and get off this. I don't need this anymore. Well, I'm gonna save it though. So we got that new brake booster in. We gonna put the bolts on. She gonna sit right there in the center where that master cylinder is gonna go. That's gonna be that pin that pushes on that master cylinder. I'm gonna put my master cylinder back on. We're gonna go ahead and tighten back up this brake booster. We're gonna go ahead and snug it down now. Make sure she's good. Nice and snug.